How are you guys doing? Let me pull this up real quick. Says we are waiting on me. Oh, this is... Alright. Looks good. If y'all saw my Facebook, I hope y'all liked it. I don't know. Okay. It's, sorry, the latency seems a lot longer than normal. Oh well. Uh, yeah, I'll just close it. Alright, let's get started so we can get finished and so we can finish for the day. Alright, I mean, this won't be the end. There's one more, but you know what I mean. As a general rule, it is always safer to assume that any conductors you are working around are energized. It is storming really hard right here. So if the stream cuts out really quick, I will post in Discord what happened. Uh, Sometimes my power goes out, so we'll just, have to deal with that. Alright, sometimes equipment must be energized to check operation or conditions might not allow equipment to be de-energized. So what we're talking about is you cannot tell if a fan is spinning or if a fan is hooked up right unless you put power to it. You can't do that with the powers off. So what this is suggesting is that you can't check voltage on something. You can't verify operation without power. So there is a narrow set of situations where you have to have power to check for power. And you can't have it de-energized in those cases. Alright, the Greenlee mini volt tick voltage indicator requires that conductors be exposed to check for potential voltages. Does not. So this is a TIG tracer. I don't have one right here with me. If you tune in tomorrow, maybe I'll have one. I have one out in the garage. I just don't feel like going and getting it. But yeah, it's just it's a TIG tracer. You hold it near the wire and it senses the electricity. What should always be done with any voltage indicator or tester? So before you use it, you should check it on something that you know is live. Oh, there went some electricity. I'm going to speed up. Solenoid type voltage testers are rated for intermittent duty only and cannot be energized for more than 15 seconds. I do have my solenoid tester. I will go get these for tomorrow's stream. Don't have them right now, and I'm trying to hurry up. Man, that wind is whipping. Okay. The single pole, single throw switch is normally wired blank. Okay, it's wired in series. Switches are wired in series because if you wired it in parallel, which would be... If you wired the switch like this, which would be in parallel, voltage is just going to flow around it and not be changed, whether you flip the switch or not. Okay, hop up. Hop up. Okay. She's scared. This is Stella. Alright, a four-way switch is used in conjunction with two three-way switches to control a single load, such as a light fixture, from three or more locations. So you will have two three-way switches and then as many four-way switches as you want, which is the next question. No, it's not. Okay. You will have two three-way switches, but if you want more locations to control the circuit from, you have to have more locations. Or you have to use four-way switches. You're distracting me, Stella. Then a duplex receptacle is two receptacles built with a common body and mounting means, which is designed to accept two plugs. This is your standard. This is your standard receptacle. Is a duplex receptacle. They don't generally make triplex or fourplex receptacles. And why would you think a fourplex is two? Anyway, I'm sure everybody here put duplex. Alright. Let's finish that and I will get the new one started. And if you don't join me for the very last stream, you guys have a good day. Stay safe. Get your tests done. Again, they are open book. Because how would I stop you? And I feel like some people will follow the rules. If I don't say it's open book, they won't use their book. And use your book. It's allowed. I'm giving you express permission to use your book. I don't see why you wouldn't use your homework and stuff like that. You know, use the resources that you have at your disposal to make a good grade on this test. I'll be grading them in a couple weeks, and I hope to see a lot of good grades. Because there's no reason you shouldn't have a bunch of good grades. Alright. I'm going to end the stream here. You guys have a good couple weeks if you don't join me for that last live stream.